Subproject 136 was basically the psychic frontier because during the Cold War, if the Soviets were doing it, we had to do it too. Subproject 136 was a lesser known but highly controversial MKUltra subproject. This subproject was conducted under Dr. Maitland Baldwin, with connections to Dr. Puharich and the Roundtable Foundation. And the Roundtable Foundation needs in a whole video all into itself. But it was basically an estate in Maine where all these rich guys would do psychic research. But back to Subproject 136. They focus on personality theory, ESP, and other paranormal phenomenon. It explored how altered states, ritual practices, or even belief systems could influence human behavior and even unlock hidden abilities. They looked into remote viewing and astral projection, and those experiments led to, later, Project Stargate. And it got darker from there. They started doing experiments on channeling entities. Psychics like Uri Geller, who was the bending the spoon with his mind guy, he was involved. Oh, and something Dr. Puharich called the Nine, which was 9 entities that he was in contact with. They delved into the idea that the mind could become a human spiritual radio under the right conditions and with the right substances. And remember, this research was all paid for by the government. They also delved into ritual magic. The CIA wanted to know if belief in magic or religious archetypes could be weaponized. They also did experiments exploring possession states, whether alternate personalities or trance states could be used. Basically induced and then controlled. Subproject 136 remains mostly classified or destroyed, but there are a few documents left that give you a little glimpse into exactly what they were doing. Up next, I'm going to talk about how children are connected to Subproject 136 in the University of Chicago's lab school, and how it's very, very easy to see how the gifted and talented programs came out of Subproject 136. What are your thoughts on this?